People from Multan or the Saraiki region are from southern areas of Pakistan, especially Ladkana, Sakhar, Nawab Shah, Sindh, Mirpur Khas, Rajanpur, Multan, Dera Ghazi Khan, Layya, and other areas. Saraiki culture, with influences from Sindhi and Persian cultures, has its own customs, traditions, and language, which is rich and diverse. Many Saraiki people also live in the cities like Karachi and Miawali. They have strong cultural ties with Sindh and Farsi cultures along with the Muslim influences. The Saraiki people have a long and rich history, and many of them also live in India with significant populations in Gujarat and Punjab. Sindh's culture has a history of around 40,000 years with influences from various Western civilizations like the Greeks and Arabs. The impact of Persian culture remained strong for many centuries. Saraikis and the art of construction, along with the poetry, continue to be a part of their culture today.
बालो बत्तियां वे माही साकू मारो संगलाना.
When Muslims dominated this area, Islam arrived and this region became a prominent Islamic center. During the independence of Muslims in 1947, the population of Muslims in this area was predominantly from the western part of Pakistan. About 75 to 95% people from the eastern part of Pakistan were 45% and nearly migrated to Pakistan and some other regions. Saraiki is one of the three languages spoken in Sindh, and in the past it was a part of the Multan Division administrative unit. Now it is considered as a separate district representing the Saraiki speaking regions. In Pakistan, the Saraiki population makes up about 8.38% of different ethnic groups, with 99% of the population being Muslim. Including both Sunni and Shia sects, this region is known for its traditions for hospitality and houses of the shrines of the Hazrat Shah Rukn Alam, Hazrat Bahauddin Zikriya, Hazrat Muhammad Suleiman, Hazrat Ghulam Farid, and other famous Sufi saints. The tomb of Sakhi Sarwar is also located here. There are 20 translations of the Holy Quran available in Saraiki. A large portion of the Saraiki population is Muslim, with Christian, Hindu, and other minority populations also present. The Saraiki language emerged from various languages in the Muslim community.
Saraiki is an Indo-Aryan language that is spoken in the western regions of Pakistan, including Punjab, Balochistan, and Sindh. It is also spoken in some parts of Indian states like Rajasthan and Gujarat, as well as in certain areas of United Arab Emirates. The Saraiki language has a long history and is associated with a particular group of people who have inhabited the region for centuries. There is some debate about whether Saraiki should be considered a dialect of Punjabi or a distinct language in its own right. While it has been influenced by many languages like Farsi, Urdu, Sindhi, and Punjabi, Saraiki maintains its unique identity. Saraiki is typically written in the Persian Arabic script and has a rich tradition of literature and poetry. It is spoken in various dialects including Multani, Telugu, Jafri, and Khadari. Saraiki is used in the media, including radio and television programs, and is also taught in school as a medium of instruction. The earliest written records of Saraiki date back to the 17th century during the Mughal era. It was used in administrative and official documents during that time. After the partition of India and Pakistan in 1947, Saraiki was given official status in Western Pakistan and it was declared a regional language in Eastern Pakistan in 1972. In the 20th and 21st century, there has been an increase in the recognition and use of Saraiki in Pakistan. It has been adopted as an official language in several Pakistani provinces, and the government has taken steps to promote its use and preservation.
The fertile land of Multan narrates tales of arts and culture with every cornet, and the conquest of the past have taken on a new form with a touch of indigo in Kashi garments. This Saraiki duelist started working on Ajrak design 6 years ago.
तो सराइकी अजरक जो है वो सराइकी वसेब की एक पहचान बन चुकी है और इसमें आजकल लोगों में बहुत मकबूल है क्योंकि इसके जो ब्लू कलर है ये लोगों को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करता है।
ये मुल्तान की पहचान भी कलर की वजह से ही है, इसलिए हम इसमें ज़्यादा कोशिश यही कर रहे हैं कि हमारे डिज़ाइंस और हमारे कलर्स ऐसे हों जो हमारे इस सूबे के लिए परफेक्ट हों।
The screen is placed on a white cloth and then stamped with indigo colors with the help of a wooden tool. It is then left to dry.
सराइकी अजरक हमारी पहचान है, सराइकी नीला रंग हमारी सकाफत है और सराइकी अजरक के साथ साथ सराइकी बास्केट भी हमारी पहचान है।
Saraiki Ajrak Day is celebrated on March 6 and the garments and scarves are made in this design which are sent as a gift to the various parts of the world.
The cuisine of Saraiki region is not very different from traditional Pakistani cuisine, but Chohanchana is a popular dish in this region. Vegetables and son halwa are also included in the famous dishes of this region.
बालो बत्तियां वे माही साकू मारो संगलाना
पित्तल बनाई सोना बरसाया मुलाना
पित्तल बनाया ई सोना बड़ सामलाना
बालो बत्तियां वे माही सकू मारो संगलाना
पित्तल बना